we were not prepared for how cold it was going to be this morning. I'm still kind of in summer mode, to be honest. Give me a sec, just need to feel my fingers again before I go for a drive. But welcome inside a Lotus Exige 380 Cup. Over the years, I have seen plenty of comments on my channel about, Luke, why don't you try a Lotus? You know, I love driving mountain passes, and a Lotus is definitely something that suits a mountain pass drive. So here we are. This is my friend's Lotus Exige, as I said, 380 Cup, only 60 made of the Cup version. It's very icy, as you most likely saw. We're on Cup tyres, not ideal. I'm hoping once I go up the small mountain pass, my local mountain pass, that it's going to go into the sun a bit and defrost. So I have little to no experience with Lotuses, which is a shame. I've always wanted to film them, drive them. I've tried to get press cars, had no reply from Lotus. Anyway, here we are, finally in a Lotus. Let's see what it's all about. Out on a coffee run this morning. I'm definitely going to need one after that cold morning there filming. Unfortunately, I have to start off on a sad note, and that is straight away, I think I just couldn't own one of these based on my size. The seat is all the way back, my knees touching the steering wheel and the gear shifter. I am too tall for this car, which is a big shame, but at least I know now, take it off my list of cars I want to own, because at a time I was really thinking about, come on, I have to own one of these one day, but I'm just too tall. As I'm turning right, my knee is in the way, but I can't push my knee any further because of the shifter. So yeah, it's a little bit awkward to say the least. Supercharged V6. The car is completely stock and it sounds incredible. Apparently the 380 sounds the best. That's what I've heard anyway. 3.5 litre Toyota engine back there. No power steering. As far as I'm aware, I think the car weighs in at just over 1,000 kilograms. Especially light in today's standards, as cars got so fat. It is just so tiny in here. Getting in and out was an adventure, especially for someone my size. Now, I looked online yesterday to see what the used market is doing with these, and you can pick one up for around 100,000 euros over here anyway. It doesn't look out of place, you know, when you go driving with friends with supercars, and you will definitely keep up with them. You'll be working a bit harder than they are probably, but that is part of the enjoyment, no question. Heading down to my exhaust test wall now. You know what that means, window down. That's annoying. Why is it wet? I missed summer already. Anyway, let's try and do a small test then, as it's wet. Can't go flat. Oh my word! Oh yes! That was unexpected. First gear, also as I found out then, is very short. Second of all, the rev limiter sounds absolutely epic in this. Oh, it really picks up speed. That's quite impressive. It's definitely engaging. It's hear some of that exhaust. Oh yes, this is absolutely ridiculous. And I love it. God, what a noise. Okay. Now, every time I see one, I will totally understand why they have one. I can't believe the sound. I'm not a huge V6 fan, and as you know, my Giulia Quadrifoglio has a V6. Sounds incredible. Oh, wheel spin. And now there is definitely another V6 I'm a big fan of. This one. Oh, I wish it was dry. The wheels are just spinning. But actually today's video really was exactly that. We were just trying to cram in another mountain pass video before winter fully comes. So this probably will be the last kind of summer or autumn mountain pass video with a sports car. And what a cool car to end it on, actually. And now I'm starting to get used to it. I could do that all day long. What a sound. So I've got air conditioning in here, no radio, no luxuries, bucket seats, harnesses, absolutely stunning manual gearbox. This just feels incredible. I'm so impressed with this. Pedals are really nice, very nice position. Slow down for horses. What a nice way to spend this morning. So impressed with this car. Jumping back into my Giulia is going to feel a little bit boring, to be honest, after this. One of my new favourite sounds. Well, I'm officially now a Lotus fan. I mean, I always liked the brand, but now I especially like it. What can I say before heading into town now for a coffee? It's just pure fun.